In this video, we'll see how to make cheesy pull-apart bread using normal bread slices.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and I welcome you to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do share this video and our channel with your friends and family, and do let us know your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Let's take a look at the recipe.
Let's first melt some butter. So here I've taken 100 grams salted butter. Yes, we need this amount of butter because we're going to use this for a small loaf, for the entire loaf. So melt the butter, make sure that the flame is between low to medium. If you keep the flame high, the butter might melt. Now add 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic. And now we're going to nicely saute or fry the garlic in this butter, and the garlic becomes so awesome after that. Now add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. You can increase or decrease the amount of green chilies as per your taste. Now after sauteing for a few seconds, add half teaspoon oregano. Again saute for a few seconds and then add finely chopped coriander, 1/4 cup. After a few seconds, switch off the flame and let this butter cool down. Meanwhile, take a packet of bread. This is 200 gram packet of bread, and I'm going to take all the bread slices. I'm going to remove the top and the bottom slices which are not even and I don't like them. Here I've taken skewers. I'm going to put the skewers inside the entire loaf in order to keep all the bread slices together. After inserting all the skewers, we're going to slice the bread slices. Yes, slice the bread slices the way I'm doing, but I'm not going to cut them through, so little more than halfway. We are doing this so that it makes it easier for us to put the butter and the cheese inside. And then spread the slices like this. Now take the butter mixture and generously put it inside the slices of bread. And after that, some processed cheese. So for this entire loaf, I have taken 4 cubes of processed cheese and around 100 gram mozzarella cheese. And now comes another important step, tie a thread. This is just like how we make bharwa karela. So we are going to tie this and little more cheese on the top. This is ready to be baked. Let's preheat our kadhai. You can also use pressure cooker. This is half cup normal cooking salt at medium flame. I'm going to preheat this kadhai for 10 minutes. Electric oven you can preheat at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After your oven preheats or this kadhai preheats, put the bread slices, this entire thing inside, cover, and at medium flame you need to let the cheese melt and everything come together for 5 to 7 minutes. Or sometimes it might take 10 minutes, so keep a watch on it. But in the electric oven it will take 5 minutes approximately. And yes, just like bharwa karela, you need to remove the thread, don't forget to do that. So our cheesy pull-apart bread is ready, and yes, we made it using regular bread slices, the normal loaf which we get in the market. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!